Yo, Minecraft crew, welcome to 1MinuteITShot. Want to make an automatic tripwire hook duper farm in 2025? This few-minute guide's super epic. Smash that like button and subscribe. Let's roll. Grab your materials first and follow me.
When I'm blue, I think of you in your eyes. How they look at mine, so kinda like that. You slow down time and everything's just fine. I was ocean swimming with just wishful thinking of my life, the vision drifting by until I found a lighthouse in your heart. Shining like a beacon of bright stars. How did life go wandering far until I found a lighthouse in your heart, guiding me out the When I'm scared, I send a flare and you're here in a flash. When I ask, oh dear love, where did we come from? You say the light is on. I had the will and mission, but the wrong position. I was hoping, praying for a sign until I found a lighthouse in your heart. Shining like a beacon of bright stars. How did life go wandering far until I found a lighthouse in your heart, guiding me out the dark.
That's it. You're a duper pro. Smash that like button and subscribe. Drop your best farm idea in the comments. Peace out and keep gaming.